Hey everybody, it's Michael Alder here from rawlandinvestments.com, and I'm sharing with you how to list your properties on other platforms and to see if they're actually worth it to make the investment. Now, getting more eyeballs on your deals is always a great thing. So I'm over on landmodo.com. This is owned by Scott Todd. He's part of the Land Geek crew there. I'm not sure if Mark Podolsky actually owns a piece of this or if this is all Scott Todd, but basically he enables you to list your land on his platform, which is pretty cool. And he has a couple different plans that you can take advantage of. So it looks like he's got a starter plan that's free, unlimited listings on landmodo. You get some Facebook exposure, access to their wholesale land deals. Featured listings, so you could upgrade and make your listings featured, it looks like, and then access to seller education. They're giving you some tips to go ahead and expand your land business, and all that's free there. Then they got the silver plan, same thing, get access to land connection, so you get access to their potential buyers, and on top of all this, and that is $30 a month. And then they got a platinum plan, so you get, this is what I like about this when it's all said and done. You're getting access to their email list. That's where the real money is. And so when I signed up for this yesterday, I went with the platinum plan so I could take advantage of getting, it's great to market on another platform, but if you're getting blasted out to somebody's warm list, that's going to go ahead and expand your chances of getting deals done. So I went with the platinum plan personally, and we're going to go ahead and list a ton of deals on here to see if we get results. And we're going all wholesale on everything, nothing retail, nothing wholesale, just straight up wholesale deals to get the best chance of getting conversions on this platform if they're going to be there. So let's walk through how we do an ad. So I'm on the back end of the platform here, and I'm able to go ahead and put an ad together. So we're going to go, and I'm a painfully slow typer, so I apologize for that. I'm going to do a super clickable ad. I'm going to go ahead and throw my website on here. So we can go ahead and market that. Got my email, put a phone number in here. We're going to do another Arkansas deal. Let's see what I have here. Acreage. This is a little tiny one, 0.07. Toss in a zip code. Do 1,200 on this, but really it's a seller finance deal. Not going to add in a wholesale price because the financing terms make it a pretty slick wholesale deal. Let's see here. Blah, blah, blah. Don't add any of that other stuff because they automatically do it. So, okay, let's see here. Man, my spelling is horrible today. But yeah, just super catchy ads, get people to click through, check out your stuff, make sure it's being shown. Now let's go ahead, we'll just copy all the juice over here. Boom. So super simple. We're going to go ahead and continue. Oh, no money signs allowed in here apparently. Is there anything else I missed? It's another thing that's good about it. It'll remind you of what you missed and what you need to add in. See? Look at me getting in trouble left and right. I can't remember what property we did. Alrighty, let's see if we can move forward now. But platform's pretty friendly to use here, similar to Craigslist, except we are solely focused on doing land deals. We'll just grab a stock photo in here. All right, boom, ad is submitted. So that was fairly easy to get through, even though you had to sit through my painful typing there. Now, the real question is, does this actually get traffic? So hopefully when we do the email blast, I'll do a follow-up video and let you know if there's any conversions, if there's any traffic hitting the sites, and if it's worth the investment to go ahead and get on their list. Now, so far, $80 a month is an absolute steal, in my opinion, to get access to someone's email list and promote your or cross-promote your properties to them. But if it's a dead list, then it's not worth it. So I will certainly shoot a follow-up video. And if you have any questions about land investing, be sure to comment below. I will create a video answering them for you. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll see you on the next video.